Hey everybody, today we're in a Jeep Wrangler. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip mount number 855970. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the blue covering here. You want to peel that blue covering off before you install the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second thing you need to know is always install the mount on the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now this mount is going to clip into two different places. The first is up here, and it's between the very front plastic of the dashboard and where that meets the glass of the windshield. That's where this angled edge is going to get inserted into. So that's the first step. We're going to do that. You want to get it down in there until you hear it click into place. Now, you'll need to use your index fingers or forefingers, and we're going to end up pulling on the front of the mount gently, just so we can get this down over the front lip of the dash here. There we go. Now it's in place. You have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.